Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11, 10 stuck on attempting repairs working solution. Force the computer to shut down 2 times until you get Windows troubleshooting. Click Advanced Options. Click Command Prompt. Type sfc /scanno. Type bootrec /fix mbr. Type bootsec /nt60 sys. Type bootrec /fixboot. Type bootrec /rebuild bcd. Type chkdsk /f /x /r c:. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.